Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today you'll be learning about the Filipino words for the different things used when dining. It would be much fun to be in the Philippines to know them and to use them when you meet some locals. Starting with plato. This is plate in English. Plato. 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 Isang plato po nito. Pahingi po ng plato. Dalawang plato po. Kutsara. This translates to spoon. Kutsara. 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 Pahingi po ng isang kutsara. Wala na po bang kutsara? Dalawang kutsara po. The next one is tinidor. This is fork in English. Tinidor. 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 Kailangan ko ng tinidor. Pahingi po ng tinidor. Dalawang tinidor po. Baso. This translates to glass. Baso. 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 Pahingi po ng dalawang baso ng tubig. Isang baso lang po. Tatlong baso pa po. The last one is Tasa. This is cup in English. Tasa. 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 Pa-order po ng isang tasa ng kape. Dalawang tasa po. Tatlong tasa po. These are just some Filipino expressions you can use when dining in the Philippines. Now, let's practice. This is plate. Plato. This is spoon. Kutsara. This is fork. Tinidor. This is glass. Baso. This is cup. Tasa. I hope you find these words useful the next time you talk to a local when having a meal. Try using these words and you'll surely surprise some locals. Thank you for watching.